Good morning, everyone. I am Julie Uebo. Today, I will be discussing the parts of Chapter 1 of our research proposal. The first is the introduction. It lays the foundation for your research. It's designed to give readers a clear understanding of what you're studying, why is it important, and how you plan to investigate it. A well-written introduction creates a compelling argument for your project. The second part is the theoretical framework. This is based on existing, well-established theories. The researcher uses these theories to test their applicability in a new context or to explain a new phenomenon. It's often used in quantitative research where the goal is to test or validate a theory. The third part is the conceptual framework. This is a researcher-developed map that outlines the specific concepts and variables being studied and presumed relationships between them. It can be built from one or more theories or even from the researcher's own ideas and observations, and is often used in qualitative research where the goal is to explore a new topic and develop a deeper understanding. The fourth part is the statement of the problem. It is the heart of the introduction. It is a concise, clear, and compelling declaration of the issue you aim to investigate. It should explicitly identify the problem and explain why it needs to be solved or explored.
The fifth part of the Chapter 1 is the hypothesis. It is a tentative, testable statement about the relationship between two or more variables in a research study. It's a specific prediction that a researcher aims to prove or disprove through data collection and analysis. We have two types of hypothesis. One is the null hypothesis, which states that there is no significant relationship between the variables being studied. It's the default assumption. And second is the alternative hypothesis. This hypothesis is the opposite of the null hypothesis. It states that there is a significant relationship between the variables. This is the researcher's main prediction. The sixth part of the Chapter 1 is the scope and limitation. Scope refers to how far the research area has been explored and parameters in which the study will be operating. The type of information to be included in the scope of a research project would include facts and theories about the subject of the project. Limitation, also known as the bounds, are influences that a researcher cannot control. They are the shortcomings, conditions, or influences that cannot be controlled by your researcher that place restrictions on your methodology and conclusions. Any limitations that might influence the results should be mentioned.
The last part is the definition of terms that provides clear, precise explanations of key concepts, variables, and technical jargon used throughout the study. Its main purpose is to ensure that readers who may have different backgrounds or levels of familiarity with the topic have a common understanding of the terminology you are using. This helps eliminate confusion, prevents misinterpretation, ensures the consistency and clarity of your research.
And that's it for today's video, guys. The 7 parts of the Chapter 1 of our research proposal. I hope you learned a lot and enjoyed the video. Once again, this is Julie Uebo. Bye!